Hi, I'm Caden Merrill, and I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm a sophomore with an engineering major, and this is the Maker's Nest. The Maker's Nest has so much to offer. We have the 3D printers over there, the laser cutter, and they're just absolutely beautiful machines. The greatest thing about the Maker's Nest, though, is it's offered for everyone, not just engineering students. My experience here at the engineering program has been absolutely awesome. The first class I took was the Intro to Engineering class, and it teaches you all the fundamental skills and fundamental machines that you need to be a successful engineer. My first project was an Apple Core, and it was awesome. It was super successful, but now my team and I have been working on our brand new project, which is a pillbox. And then outside of this room, we have our patio over there. We have the cement mixer, we have a ton of different saws, so we can work on subtractive manufacturing. It's an absolutely lovely area out there. It's super fun, you can just hang out. We have chairs out there and all sorts of things. Our incredible head of the engineering department, Dr. Espinoza, teaches a lot of classes here, and she's incredible. She's super helpful, she gets you really excited about engineering, and she's one of the best profs at Concordia. We have EPICS meetings. EPICS stands for Engineering, Pi, and Computer Science. And you can come and learn how to 3D print, how to laser cut. We offer sessions for you to learn those things, whether you're an engineering student or not. Engineering is super awesome, but not only do you learn skills in our classes about engineering, but life skills as well. We do good work and we do useful work, and it teaches you so many things about life, not just engineering.